Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we are going to work with this pattern here. This is pattern number 96275. Let me do my little screen grab thing of the pattern. This again has like multiple areas that could be the center of it. And to be honest, I haven't really figured out what I was going to do yet. Let me just paste it over here. Layer, transform, rotate. Again, I don't think it matters which direction we rotate it. The symmetry would still be there. Let's enlarge it so we can see what we're doing. Slide it over to the side and anchor the floating layer. That's something new with the upgrade to GIMP, is that you have to anchor the layer. It's meant to make it so that way you don't make accidents and destroy the whole image. You just mess up a layer. So yeah, so the question is, do we put it on this little, I don't know, it kind of looks like a palette, or this, the hashtag for the center? Let's go with the hashtag. Color. I do have a blue. I guess we can go with the blue. Similar things. Got a nice dark blue. Alright, so... goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this way. Couple here and a couple here. So that's what half the hashtag looks like. There's one dark at the end of these rows, and then just a single space before it does this diamond here. And then this as a sort of an X in it. And then on the other side of this, again with a single one here, and then straight into the hashtag again. Oh wait, we went one too many on that. Okay. Oop, got that one. I do kind of like the hashtag thing. I think it's kind of neat. Not sure about these dots that are ending out here. I wonder if that's just like it had to be because the strings were doing something there. There's our diamond again. There's our dots. And that's how it would end. Yeah, I don't necessarily hate that. I'm just not sure about it. All right. Yeah, I was pretty sure. Oh. I was pretty sure this was going to be 3. Do they do a bunch of zigzags in this or something? How do they get... Yeah. Yeah, they had to bounce the red around a bit to keep the blue on the outside in order to not have that one come in. All right, are we gonna do that? Oh man. I'm kind of tempted, instead of a single dot here, making this a double. Because then we could simplify it. It would be so much easier if this was like this. Because then this would come across. Yeah, I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna go make this easier. It's gonna be inspired by, but not the same as. Mostly I just want to make it easier. There's no reason why it has to be harder. Alright, so that came through, We got 1, 2, 3 right here. This comes back this way. I'm not sure how this one will turn out with the variegated. Because it really crosses over itself an awful lot. I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there, I guess. But I'm not 100% sold on this just yet. Yeah, just adding that extra little dot is gonna make this thing so much easier. Like this little bump out here, it's a night and day difference in how the strings are gonna be like all over the place versus just really simplicity. I feel like my channel is turning into like an easy channel, like all of the patterns, even the bags and stuff. I went to great lengths to try to make them easier. But that's okay. I don't think people will mind if I take and make it less of a burden to try to sort out these extra little strings and stuff. Like that's crazy. All right, so that is all of the blue in that part. Let's do a red, but maybe not quite that bright. Just because that red and blue is really hard to look at. Get the select by color tool. Will let us fill in all of these. Back to the paint, fill whole selection. It's still loud, but it's not as loud. It's while I'm getting ready to copy and paste this all together, let's thank my YouTube members for making all of this possible. If you're interested in seeing behind the scenes and wanting to help impact this channel in a positive way, become a member. It's like the cost of a cup of coffee, I think. Like $4. So yeah. Layer, anchor, and merge down. There we go. Again with the select tool, get the whole top half, Control-C, Control-V. Down at the bottom, layer, anchor, and merge down. And there's our pattern. So we got the hashtag in the middle. We've only got 3 hashtags in the whole thing. 4 of the like palette things. So that's actually pretty cool. I think I will do it in the red and blue. The blue I got is kind of light. But yeah, I think it'll look pretty cool. All right, well, hey, thanks for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, hit the like button, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.